Old Jeans Upcycling Tutorials by Miarti. Lay out the torn jeans. Cut off one leg below the inseam, slit it lengthwise, and press. How to cut fabric for a purse. Mark parallel lines and cut out a 44 centimeter wide rectangular piece using tailor's shears. Kiss lock frame pattern making. Measure 7 centimeters to the right and left of the metal frame and trim the denim. How to box corners on a bag. Mark 5 by 5 centimeter squares at the bottom corners and cut them out with shears. Interfacing denim for bags. Reinforce the wrong side with fusible interfacing, leaving a 1 centimeter seam allowance and iron. Adding metal studs decoration. Trace a geometric pattern with chalk on the right side and install the studs. Sewing bag lining. Place the lining fabric right sides together with the outer denim, clip, and sew the top edges. Assembling the DIY bag. Fold in half, pin the side seams of the denim and lining, and stitch, leaving a turning opening. Sewing boxed corners. Shape the bottom corners of the main bag and lining, clip the edges, and machine stitch. Turning the purse right side out. Use the opening to turn the bag and carefully push out the corners. Closing the lining opening. Fold the seam allowances inward and edge stitch them closed at 2 millimeters on the sewing machine. Top stitching a denim bag. Tuck the lining inside the bag and run a clean top stitch along the upper edge. How to attach a kiss lock frame. Align the metal frame with the center and hand sew it using a needle and thread. Adding a chain shoulder strap. Clip the chain strap with lobster clasps onto the metal frame loops. Finished denim kiss lock bag review. Showcase the completed upcycled purse, its capacity and dimensions, 21 by 16 by 13 centimeters.